Y'all know who keeping it gangster. I come through. Look at that gangster. What's up, Jay? How you doing tonight, old school? I see you. Y'all know some of my nigga them. Blood was bragging up. Hello. Hi. They New York girls, man. Big booty ass. You got to talk to them. Bitch, I'm Bosco. You got to just step in New York bitch like that. Bitch, I'm Bosco. She's going to be like, ooh, you mad sexy, yo. You mad sexy, yo. Bitch, I'm Bosco. Ooh, you mad sexy, yo. Look at me. That's how you got to do New York bitch, you know what I'm saying? They be mad as shit. You can't even say hi. Like, I'm just saying hi, bro. Like, you feel me? Just being nice. Hello. You can't say hi. Like, bitch, I'm Bosco. See, they look. See, when I say that, then they look. Watch this. We're going to do a survey. When I say, bitch, I'm Bosco, then they going to look and be nice. When I say, hi, how you doing, she going to look mad. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Look, watch this. Watch this. Hello. First one. But she was white, though. She was white. White people always nice. She was white. White people always nice. But, like, watch these black bitches. These black bitches. White people always nice. They always nice. And you can't say hi to a black bitch. Hi. Bitch, I'm Bosco. Oh, hey. You mad sexy, son. I love it out here, though. It's so vibrant, man. Shout out to New York City, man. I love it out here. It's so vibrant. And, like, it's just so alive, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's just so alive. They say this is a big, rich town. Yeah. I just come from the poet's park. Right, like, this is where it goes down. Yeah. I just happen to come up hard. This is where it goes down. Yeah. They say this is a big, rich town. Yeah. Look at this predator. What's the deal?
I just got him from Chicago. You got some more that good?
Nah.
Alright.
I feel you though, bro.
Alright.
Predator looking. A predator looking. A predator looking. No predator. Predator versus alien. Oh, predator versus alien hitter. Chicago, hold that. Chicago, hold that ill, man. That nigga said, hey, I just got here from Chicago. You ain't got no more of that, do you? Alien versus predator. God damn, man. Got him, coach. forehead got big when that nigga forehead got big. That nigga leaned in close. That nigga forehead got big. Hey. That nigga forehead got big. Hey. That nigga forehead got big. He said, hey. You got any more? I'm from Chicago. I said, hey, I'm from Chicago. Oh, real big head. Hey, I'm from Chicago. You got some more? Head out. Head out, boy. I'm gonna call you, head out, boy.